Hello my lovely people, welcome to the Kitchen. I hope you are all well and safe. Today it's about puri. I have a lot of requests for that. This is very famous in Mauritius. In most of the Hindu weddings there is plenty of puris that serve, and it is my husband's favorite dish as well. He would eat puri with any curry. Okay, watch till the end of the video please. I will show you how to make it step by step. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of semolina, salt to taste, a teaspoonful of sugar, half a teaspoonful of baking soda, 3 tablespoonful of yogurt, natural yogurt, 2 tablespoonful of cooking oil. And I am mixing all together now, and then I am going to add warm water little by little. This should be added little by little because it can go too soggy. It's warm water, just warm to the touch. This recipe has been for a long time. It's been a request for such a long time. Everybody wants me to do the puri recipe, so I got time today. I hope you will enjoy that. It's not difficult to make, but we have to have a bit of patience, a little bit of hard work, and then that's it. A little bit more water. It's a bit too hard. At least 5 minutes we have to knead it. Knead it well 5 minutes. Make it soft, and then we have to leave it to rest for up to 2 hours. Cover it and leave it to rest. Okay, I'm just going to knead it, and then I will get back to you. A bit of oil on the top. I'm just going to cover it and then leave it in a warm place for 2 hours. So that's it. This is where it is. Just need to leave it in a warm place. I'll get back to you then later. Here is our dough. It's been 2 hours. Now I'm just going to mix it a little bit more. Okay, I will divide it. I will make it into maybe 8 portions. It's nice and soft. Here we are. I've got 8 loya. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sorry, 10. It has to be covered. I did all the 10 balls now. Cover it, and then I will start to roll and fry. Roll it a bit gently. will start to fry now, guys. The oil has to be very hot. Okay, it's got to be very hot, and as soon as you put the puri in, it has to float on the top. So if it comes, we will test it with a bit of dough. If it comes to the surface, then we know that the oil is hot enough. Let's try. Okay, it comes up on the surface. It means our dough is ready, our oil is ready, okay? So that means the oil is hot enough. Okay, as soon as we put it, okay, we have to just press it down gently. Okay, there we are, look. It's fluffy, it's puffed up. Turn it. Not more than 30 seconds, 20 seconds on one side and the other side is about 10 seconds, and that's it. It's done. Drain the oil and put the other one. Okay. If you think your oil is too hot, you can reduce the heat a bit, but it's got to be, when you put the puri, it comes to the surface straight away. You press it gently like that. Okay, look how it's puffed up. And you turn. There we are. It's done. Drain the oil. And the next one goes. Just be careful, the oil is very hot. See how it is puffed up? It's done. And we continue until we finish the whole thing. I have 10 puri. Keep on frying until we finish all the 10, okay? Here is the puri, guys. As you see in the oil, it did puffed up well, so it is going to be very soft, look. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I'm going to have my dinner now. I'm going to leave you. I'm having the puri with the chana. Bye-bye. See you later in my next video. Bon appetit.